Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A quick check of the satellite loop for today shows that it was cloudy for some areas along the south and east coasts of the country today. Along with that, there were a few light showers, and those conditions continue to move northwards along the coastline overnight. If we look further out into the Atlantic Ocean, we can see that there's a system that's busy swirling over this area to fairly deep low along with a cold front. And although the system is in the process of weakening, it's still going to have an effect on the country on Monday. That'll be mostly in the form of windy weather over the Cape Provinces, dry and gusty conditions all across the area. And here we can see cloud cover reaching the Atlantic seaboard during the course of the evening. For the meantime, rain is only expected to start settling in to the early hours of Tuesday. So for now, Monday is going to be dry all across that area. Here's a look at the alerts, and due to those very dry and gusty conditions over the western parts of the country, there is a high fire danger warning in place for much of the region during the course of the afternoon. The detailed forecast shows some light rain for eastern KwaZulu-Natal. That will be mostly in the morning, although for Richards Bay a few drops could linger around into the early afternoon. Much warmer for the Eastern Cape, with temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 20s for some places. Adelaide getting close to the 30-degree mark, and Bergwind conditions push temperatures into the low 30s for some areas along the south coast, including George, on Monday afternoon. We see similar temperatures for the rest of the Western Cape as well. Cape Town, 28 degrees as your high, the same maximum for Worcester, while Vredendal will be warmest as usual at 34 degrees. Blustery conditions in the afternoon for much of the Northern Cape. Temperatures getting above 20 degrees all across the province. And it will also be a mild to warm afternoon for the Free State after a chilly start, but just about all areas above freezing just before sunrise. Heading into the northwest, and we see mostly sunny conditions, although some cloud will develop over the province in the afternoon. And into Limpopo, thicker cloud will be moving into the Lowveld and the escarpment areas, and there could also be some drizzle over the mountainous areas in the east. Taking a look at Mpumalanga, where we also see cloudy weather extending into the eastern parts of this province. Bombela, you could have a couple of showers not only in the morning but into the evening as well. And finally into Gauteng, where it will be a mostly sunny day, slightly cooler conditions with Johannesburg reaching a maximum of 20 degrees. Our wind forecast clearly shows the fresh to strong winds that are expected for the western parts of South Africa, while lighter winds are expected for Gauteng and the surrounding areas. Tuesday brings a drop in temperature for Cape Town at 17 degrees. There's also a possibility for some rain in your area. Sunshine for Durban and Richards Bay with a big jump in temperature. And on Wednesday, it's going to be mostly dry and warm in the east of the country, while it will still be quite cool in the southwest.